In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to make this router jig so you can router perfect circles, like this Lazy Susan turntable, complete with a track for ball bearings. I'm Eddie Field with Field Guide to DIY. Let's dive in. We're going to make a jig out of some scrap 1/4-inch plywood. Take off the base of our router. Here's center of the block of wood, and we need out here. You can see where the bit rides. So we'll anchor here and go around. First, I got the shape for the template with using the router base and a small can of finish. The good thing with jigs, once you have them, you save them, you use them over and over and over again, like this one. Now we get the jigsaw. Next, we drill pilot holes that anchor it to the base. Next, I drill holes at various increments that will act as our fulcrum for our router to go around. A little bit. Next, you attach your jig to the base. You want to get all 3 bolts started before you tighten any one of them down. Next, you install and tighten your router bit, and you adjust your depth. Drill a pivot point in your piece, and attach your jig. And in absolutely no time at all, you've got a perfect circle. And then when you change your bit and change your pivot point, you can cut a groove. So there you have it. For more tips and suggestions and how-to videos on woodworking, click the image on your screen now.